Guys, in this video, we are going to take a look at the custom boot logo or splash logos for our Redmi Note 5 Pro or the Redmi Note 5 AI, which is dual camera variant. So without wasting more time, let's start. So guys, in order to install the boot logos, you will need a more modified custom recovery, not TWRP, the basic recovery. You will need Orange Fox recovery. So the installation is really easy. Just go to TWRP, find the zip, which is linked in the description, and just flash it, and then it will reboot into recovery for this one. Now flashing the boot logos. Now I have flashed the Black Panther one already, and I have this anonymous for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the Redmi Note 5 AI. So you can see into install option, go to install image. It's really easy. Check anonymous. Now I have extracted the zips in order to tell you guys how to install the splash.image. But if you download it from XDN, you will have a zip and it contains a meta INF folder. Then you will need to just directly flash it through the install option. So here you need to just go to install and then flash that zip. But if you download an image, like some are images and some are zips, then you need to install this zip image like this. So anonymous, boot logo, swipe to install, flashes in a quick second, then reboot to recovery. And I accidentally wiped my OS, so yeah, that's what I do accidentally. And you can see we are anonymous. Sorry for that, it's not visible correctly, but yeah, in that side. So that is how to flash boot logos, and there are 15 to 20 varieties of boot logos. Also you can tell the developer to create more. So yeah, that's it. If you guys like this video, press the like button. If not, then the dislike button. Subscribe here, the red button, for the for more videos on the Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 5 Poco F1, and yes, Redmi Note 7 Pro is coming in 2 days, so just wait for it. I'll share an unboxing video of that. Okay, no reference no reference for it here. So ending this video with a bye bye as always. Bye bye.